called. All right. So this is the user interface of Lumina, and if you open the live synchronize, and if you change anything here, just synchronize, you can see the change over here, the render model here. Or you can just import that as a, export that as a Lumina file, and then and open that here. So I'm just going to use this one. So once you open this, it will ask you which background you want to use. So I'm just going to use this plain background. I'm going to load the scene. I'm loading the word. All right. So now
once before you start, for the Lumion, it's asking us the PayPal account. So we need to have a PayPal account. Is it the same for you?
What's that account? Sorry.
For the Lumion, to download the Lumion Pro Student.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I do have the license. So if you have a good computer, you can send me email. I will send you the license number.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Now this is empty word. So this is my word. I'm going to build a house here. I'm going to click import. And this import will allow me to open the file that I exported. So I'm just going to open this one and ask me to name it. And let's see, demo. And also ask me, you know, if I want to turn on the animations and add anything. So let me just go okay. So then it's basically loading the Revit model into this rendering program. Give it a second. Lumina actually requires really good graphic card. So now you see this is the model I have. I can put it anywhere. I'm putting it here and just double click the exit. And then see this is the model I put in. And you can use the WASD keyboard. It's kind of like playing the video game. If you guys play video game, you can just move freely like this, okay? So now let's play around, you know. So the first thing we want to do is to change the materials. You know, I don't like this material, and especially for the glass, they don't like glass. So I want to go to this one called materials, and I just select the glass. All right. So I want to change it to go to outdoor, and I want to go glass. Then you have so many glass you can pick. I'm just going to pick the one, regular one like this. All right. So for concrete, I want to go to outdoor. Maybe that's just this natural look concrete like this. Like this. No. Yeah, maybe like this. No. All right. So I can pick this material, and for the roof, I can also go pick different type of roof. Like I pick this kind of roof. It looks ugly. Like this is good. All right. So yeah. So we just change the material a little bit. All right. So now let's add some stuffs. So I can add some new stuffs here. So I'm going to go to added objects, and here you have different categories. Let me add some plants. So I just go nature, and I can see how many trees you could have, different kinds of trees, and for one kind you could have so many tabs. I'm just going to pick some trees here. I put a big tree here. And the tree is actually, see the tree is moving, it's live, okay? And now I want to go to the other side. And I really like bamboo. So I'm going to add some bamboo here. Let me check, do we have bamboo? Yes. So for bamboo, I don't want, oh, that's ugly. That's not bamboo. Yeah, that looks good. So, I don't just want one bamboo, can I place multiple? Yes, I can do this mass placement. So I'm going to here, and I can just use this one and drag my mouse like this. Boom, I have a lot of bamboo. You can also change the density, that's too much. So I'm see number of items, I can make them smaller. That should be good. All right, okay. See how it looks like. Looks great. All right. Oh, I forgot to save the material change. Let me change them back, sorry. I need to go here, outdoor, glass. I change the first one and I click OK. And this one, outdoor, roof, this one, click OK, concrete, outdoor, concrete, like this one. Good. All right, so now I have this some kind of stuff, and I can also add, I don't know, I want some flowers. Let me open flowers and African. Yeah, I'm just going to pick one. I'm not expert. You can also do the cluster. You know, it's kind of like they randomly place them for you, like this. All right, you can just do this, so you can have many of them. And I think for this, I just want to have some flowers in this way. Oh, sorry, wrong one. Oh yeah, so basically you can have this combination of flowers and the bamboo, but this is not what I want. I just want flowers. And I want to remove this, I want to make the number more, and I can randomize the direction and random the spacing, like this. All right, so let me just add another, how about let's add a pool. Let me go to landscape, water, like this water tap, that's ocean, that's tropical pond. Let's add a pond, okay? Put it here. You can select it. You can make it bigger, larger. You can also select the elevation of that. All right, so now we have the pool, everything. Okay, we can also change the weather. So let me just wait a little bit higher. I can change the direction of the sun. Okay, I can change the, yeah, this is the direction of the sun. To be cloudy or less cloudy. Okay. I can also have different cloud tab. Is it brighter or darker? All right. Of course, I can add people. Okay. So I'm going to add, just going to add like a person sitting here. Just one is fine. So I'm going to switch it to single placement. I can put it here. Of course, I can go into the room. Let me go this way. You know what? I don't like this floor. So I can select the floor and I'm going to change the indoor. I want wood floor. That looks much better. Don't you think so? And this one, I want it to be indoor and I want this kind of a laser type of feel. Maybe some, I don't know, like this. This, okay. Click OK. And now let me just add some object. Let's say I want to add a little girl here. All right. Okay. And outside, I can add a car. You know, let me just add a car like this. All right. So it looks good, right? But we even haven't rendered that. So now, if you feel okay with the build you have, then you just basically go here. Let's say we can render picture. My computer is working hard. You basically can see this. We take a view of, from this way. I don't like it. So if you don't like it, I go to build again. So let's build something from the internal. I think the kitchen is beautiful. So let's go to the kitchen area. Okay, I think this is perfect angle of doing my render. Maybe a little bit, here should be fine. Okay, now I want to render a picture here. All right, so you can see this is not even the finished render. You can actually add effects. You know, you can add a sun effects, shadow, reflection, skylight. You know, add just different whole lot of stuff. You can move the elevation of your camera, brightness. You see you feel that the sky is the skylight is the sunlight is bright in here. Saturation. Let me see what else we can do. Camera view exposure, lens flare. I don't know where that is. Okay. Let me add further. So let's add a visor. You know, it can be foggy, can be raining outside. So this is raining outside right now. You see all the special effects, right? You guys can, if you want, you can definitely try it yourself. Okay, and then you can also customize the style. You know, if this is for interior, then this looks like it's a little bit overexposed. But if you can definitely try different way. This is night. This is how in the night it looks like. Let's just say interior. All right. And then if you like it, you can just render the photo. And ask you if you want to render the resolution of render. We don't have time to render that today, but I guarantee you after we render that, it looks photorealistic. It's so different, okay? And can we create a movie? Of course, yes, just click movie and just take a picture like this. So you take one picture and just move your mouse like this, take another. All right, so if you like it, we can play and see how it looks like. Of course, you can check the frames per second, the total duration. This program will just automatically connect all the viewpoints you have and generate this kind of a movie for you.
So it's the accumulation of all the photographs that you took?
Yes. And it basically connects
in
this.
Naviswork as well?
Was that?
It can be done in Naviswork as well, right?
Not as good as this one.
Okay.
This is actually the render. We even have to render this, you know, after we render that is also different. And there's so many functions of this program. So now you see this is just preview of the rendered picture. And you can also create an animation. Okay, so let me just stop this. Let me go back. Once you're okay, just click OK. And then we can also add some really, really cool stuff. So let me go to this custom style, not a custom style, the special effects animation. So I can basically, I need to, okay. I cannot find that. Did I delete anything? There it is. So for example, I want this car to be moving. That's also possible. You know, basically we just add a new picture and fix it. Where's that? Come on. Oh, over there. Okay. And now I can find the car, and you can basically select this car and define that as move, like move it from there to there, and then okay. And when you play the animation, of course we cannot see that. You know, we didn't create the angle to see the car, but it will see the car moving. You can also simulate the people walking. You can simulate whatever you want. So the final result, I want to show a quick example, which I posted on my website. This is actually something I created last year for the class. It only took me about 10 minutes to do it. All right, so last quick comment. Do you guys know how much they charge you to produce a 5-minute video? I have some developer friends in Texas, and they say they charge you $3,000 to produce a 5-minute rendered video, and they are using Lumion. Okay, but you see how easy it is to use that. All right, guys. So we have a lot today. Any question? Any comments?
So Dr. Dev, we have to put all the mechanical, electrical and plumbing equipment on the individual project?
No. Just find a small room at a minimum MEP staff to show how to do it. So that you do not need to design the mechanical system for the entire project.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I had one more issue that I wanted to put the sink, but the